What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. And today's video is just going to be a little chill compared to my other videos. Today I'm not really going to show you how to make anything or do anything. I just decided to come out here in the woods and film the beautiful nature that we have. And yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but everything kind of froze up here in North Carolina yesterday, and there's a bunch of ice just falling from the trees. It's going crazy. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But yeah. Get it, guys. Y'all might be able to see the ice. Little ice falling down, but it's coming down pretty quick. This is the stuff that's falling down right now. Pretty much just ice. Little icicles in the trees. Oh, look at these. Some cool looking plants over here. Look at that, guys. Now these other plants kind of look like we're in the jungle right now. Oh, there you can see that. Some icicles falling. Gosh. And yeah, guys, I know this is not your typical video from my channel where I show you how to make stuff or do things, tutorials and different stuff, but if you guys like these kind of videos where I just, take some beautiful shots of the wilderness that we have, give the videos a thumbs up, comment that you'll want to see more, and I will give you more. I will bring you guys more of this stuff. I typically go to the mountains like every 2 weeks. I'm always out and about in the wilderness, so if you guys want to see more, I can definitely show you guys some more. So just let me know and I will give you guys more. Oh wow, there's a bunch of that ice that I'm talking to you guys about. Look at this. Come from them trees up there. This yellow tree right here. And yeah guys, like I was saying, if you guys enjoy these kind of videos, just let me know and I will bring you guys more. These kinds of videos are not only better for me and for y'all. If y'all are enjoying them, please let me know in the comment section down below. They're better for me because it's easier to upload them, easier to edit. Overall, because they're just shorter videos, you know, there's less editing to do. But the last shot that I wanted to give you guys is that kind of like jungle leaf, beautiful jungle leaf that I found over there. Found one over here too. Look at this guy. This is why I love nature. So beautiful, isn't it? And yeah guys, that was basically it for today's video. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give the video a thumbs up, comment down, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Peace guys.